Let's play ball now. As for Rain or Shine, we have a Fuller, no, Clarito for the Rain or Shine. And for Lasal naman, KQ, Kevin Kiambao started with a three-point shot.
Fast, I think this would favor De La Salle. But of course, you have the veterans, itong mga pros, they have to... Yun na naman si Kiambao, no?
Yes, Kevin Kiambao once again attack.
Yes, so pride really is at stake here for Rain or Shine. Ayaw mong patalo sa college na basketball.
Yes, definitely. Aaron Fuller once again. This time, Adrian Nocom. Very quick.
Adrian Nocom.
Gabe Norwood. And
wow, wide open.
Fuller this time.
Fuller.
How can they stop?
Good thing about Austria, he has the game to back it up, no? Yung mga antics na. See? Basket is good.
Ayan na naman. Here we go. Jonard Clarito. Yan, minama itong si Michael Phillips. But a good defense there coming from...
Good spacing for Rain or Shine. That's a 3-on-2 situation there. For an excellent job in coaching players in the PBA over the years.
Yes, nakalusot na naman. Kevin Kiambao, 7th point in the game.
Oh, ganda. That is why pinapalabas sila so that they have a better chance in penetrating down low.
Once again,
that play, coach, parang La Salle allowed the penetration, the dribble penetration.
or is different.
Baliktad, ano?
Yeah, but it's in our live it's totally correct. But there you go. Na naman, Adrian Nocom, favorite. Mga ganyang galawan. Mahusay.
They're putting their head down, still trying to gusto pa rin humabol, no? They're still working.
All of the offensive plays and their import as well, sharing the ball like that. 1, 2, 3 coming from Austria for 3.
That's a meek response.
Yun na naman. How can you stop this guy, Aaron Fuller? Dongo pat. Aaron Phillips na naman. Ano sinasabi natin, coach, no? The Filipino loves and they're entertained with those kind of jams.
Yan. Yun ang matindi, coach.
Fender as well.
Yes.
Marasigan Boris for 3. Bang! Kevin Kiambao kontra Dato. Kiambao pull-up jumper.
Oh, the hustle play from Phillips.
Let's take a look at this. You know, ito yung galing atake from Kiambao, but Michael Phillips is not giving up.
Now, definitely adjust. I mean, for him, level of coaching, ano.
Fakes. Michael Phillips wants to drive.
Strong move.
Nabitawan pa.
Grabe to si Phillips, oh. Basket.
And they want to change the ball.
Yeah. I mean, Michael Phillips.
On the run. Well, good defense, but Gian Mamuyak. Here comes Mamuyak for the Rain or Shine. Early offense. Pasok na naman.
Basket is good for Gian Mamuyak. They're struggling.
First team foul.
Yep, their shots. No, actually, they're open, no? Hindi lang pumapasok talaga.
They're doing now, setting off screens.
Wow.
Yun. That would be easy. Defend the paint, no?
Luis Pablo. Tangkad din nito, no? As now, here comes the handoffs. Villena. There you go.
Oh!
Slam!
Monster jam for Mike Phillips. Well for you, no?
Abadam for 3.
Oh, yes, sir. Ayun na po.
He missed it this time.
The crowd ready to erupt there.
Yes, there you go. A good steal by Gian Mamuyak. A transition. And there you go. Andre Caraco. Now here comes Andre Caraco. Kili-kili shot. Good steal by KQ. Ogana kontra Gian Mamuyak. At pasok pa.
That's a bad angle for
KQ and Mason Amos together, you know, in this ball game. Pero yun na naman, basket count na naman para kay Gian Mamuyak. The rain or shine Elasto Painters. Now this is Lasal, Matt Rubico.
Matt Rubico.
Parang veterano na talaga maglaro, no?
Yes, eto naman, Andre Caracot kicks it out to Mamuyak for threes.
Yes, sir!
1, 2, 3 na naman! Amos for 3.
Yes.
Bang!
Much needed 3 from for De La Salle.
Ito open on the other side. It could be better there. Here comes Fuller, basket count.
Now for Aaron Fuller.
Yikes. Okay, so
On the fast break.
paboritong ginagawa ng ano yan, coach, yung Duke, no?
Basket count
Euro
for
ball screen.
Torrijo.
Pati ng Australia.
Nako, para kay
Mark Borboran for
Aaron Fuller.
Aaron Fuller.
They are really utilizing Aaron Fuller very well.
Kitang-kita naman. Maganda yung statement early on ni itong si Nokum, and utilizing the power of course Aaron Fuller and forcing De La Salle to miss. Let's see if they could continue that until the second half of the game and probably winning the championship here. But again, plenty of time for De La Salle to catch up, and I'm sure
Just that, a transition play. Ramiro, they kick it out to Mason Amos. Fires. 1, 2, 3.
that's a great decision from
Trying to, change.
mix things up, no?
Yep.
Andre.
Bilis ng mata mo, coach.
Amos.
Ay, nako.
Another transition play dito. They gave it to Kuya Jonard, but here we go. Andre Caracot.
Caraco.
1, 2, 3 punch nila no?
Mm-hmm.
If you miss, coordinate, another turnover for LaSalle. If you don't run, then they will run for you.
Yes, definitely.
And Bakalalag. Binigay kay Abadam. Abadam, pull-up jumper. Yes, sir.
Abado.
Dahanin lang ng De La Salle ito, then probably they could be,
Back in game.
yeah.
Bo
Triple B.
Belga.
Oh!
Roberto.
Flying kiss to the basketball gods.
Cholo, what happened in the first half? Let us talk about the statistics. What went well for the Rain or Shine Elasto Paint?
Our rain or shine has been tremendous in the first half, led by Aaron Fuller with 21 points, 6 rebounds. Itong rain or shine has 11 steals in the first half. Imagine that. So ang daming agaw po, game with a huge margin.
Yes, that's 16 turnovers. That's huge for the DLSU. Speaking of that, grab.
His way, no? But unfortunately, hindi nga lang pumapasok. But you can see, he is really trying. But now, pumapasok na.
Yes, that's a good
Agusan.
Yun pala. Yan, shoutout yun niya, mga taga-Agusan.
Yes, kila pare Cyrus, Boss Lloyd.
It's by Abadam. it was almost a slam. Here comes basket count.
Now for Keith Datu.
Keith Datu.
So, rain or shine, doing damage here.
And now, here we go. Ball for LaSalle. They have 10 seconds winding down in the shot clock. Boris Marasigan, jumper.
Boris Marasiga.
Nilabas na si CJ, no?
Coach.
Correct. I think we mentioned this in the first half, no? Ano pa pwede gagawin ng ng De La Salle? Make Big Bo a scorer. I mean, let him take him the outside.
Yeah.
Challenge
from 2 3-point shot. Dungo and Kiambao.
Oh,
Easy shot.
hindi pa tapos yung laban, hindi pa tapos yung laro.
Yes, Gian Mamuyak attacking.
Gian
Yun.
Mamuyak.
KQ. Assist, he's grown a lot in terms of basketball. Rubico. There you go.
Sisimulang mag-ingay yung mga tao dito.
Shouting defense.
Ba?
Sabi ko sa'yo Kuya Jonard yan
Oh, kumagat eh.
Yes. Yeah.
And that's his game.
And he's a one-hander shooter, remember?
Yeah. Yes,
Even
yes.
in his free throws,
True.
right?
Oh.
Boris Marasigan. Yes, sir. Tol. Lamats yung pagtanaw. Now, CJ Goliena this time. After EJ Gol.
MJE family. Of course, you have Boss Roy Villaflor, Madam Ching, Mamu,
Anton Asisto.
all the way. So,
Anton Asisto is being hassled by Ramiro. Grabe, kinatawan.
Galing.
Stare down. Cortez.
Raven Cortez.
Another zoom play. Ramiro on the corner. Fires. There you go. 1, 2, 3. And there comes Gabe Norwood drives to Keith Tatu. Wow. Rock solid. Etong still silent. No, haven't taken any shots in the fourth quarter. Third quarter rather. Wants to use series of screens.
Ganda.
Raven Cortez.
Huling araw na to ng event natin sa Kadayawan.
Yeah, I'm sure isang instruction ni Coach Topex dito. Just cut down the lead. Dahan-dahan ninyo.
Ayan.
Grabe. Pasok na naman.
Right, couple of years. So Mason Amos this time, not quite, but
Good putback from Raven Cortez.
Raven Cortez is there. Bronny. There you go, misses that shot. Another putback by Mason Amos. They gave it to Boris Marasigan. He fakes the handoff attack.
Boris Marasigan.
Another post move. There you go, fade away. But Andre Carakot
Down for Andre Caraco. Justin Ventura.
is already in the double-digit points. Take a look at that. What a control from this guy. They gave it to CJ Austria. Austria drives.
2 points.
DJ Austria.
The poker face. Buenaventura. They dump it inside to Mason Amos. Pasok.
Late yung defensive rotation ng Rain.
So, I'm pretty sure both teams here.
On Eliboso.
Good pass there.
Ito si Mamuyak on the corner. But there you go. Grabe yung vertical leap doon. Here comes Fuller this time.
Ganda. Great finish from Aaron Fuller.
And Gambao on the corner for 3.
Gambao for 3.
KQ not giving up.
Andre Carakot. Fuller once again.
Grabe, muscling his way in.
Fuller.
Wow.
And they gave it to Abadam. Abadam spins. Wow!
Abadam.
No? Here comes Fuller. Bilis ng bawi. No?
Aaron Fuller.
More than 15 points now.
Aaron Fuller.
20 is happening.
Abadam is still there.
Here we go. Fuller again.
Aaron Fuller.
Step back. Jumper. Pasok.
Pa rin.
Yes,
Congratulations.
definitely. What a game. Rock solid performance for both teams.